How many of you need the voice? Who needs the voice? Have a voice to rule. Whatever you talk, let it take place. Anyone will be able to obey you. And the world will listen unto you. And the people will listen unto you. It is so to you. It have been so to you. It is so to you. Have a voice in that family. Have a voice in that village. Have a voice in the marriage. Into that world. Have a voice in the business. Choir voice in that relationship. I say receive that voice in the name of Jesus. May people listen to you. May people listen to you. How many of you want to be listening? How many of us want to be listening? How many of us want to be listening? How many of us want to be listening? Receive the power. Go and be listening. Get listen. Go and be listening.